everyone, this is Arpita. Welcome to Test Prime. In this channel, I discuss different topics related to automation and manual software testing. So please to subscribe to my channel if you are interested to learn about these topics and hit the bell icon next to subscribe button for getting notified whenever I post a new video. So let's start with today's video. This video is part 2 of my Maven tutorial series for beginners. Here I will be showing you how to install and set up Maven in your Windows machine. So please to watch my previous video part 1 of Maven tutorial where I have explained basics of Maven and POM if you want to get a simple understanding of it. I will link the video in the iCard above and in the description box below. So let's start with today's video. So for installation of Maven in your workstation, first you need to ensure that Java JDK kit is installed in your machine and has been set up properly in your workstation environment variable path. So keep a thing in mind that for installing and setting up of Maven 3.3 and higher version above, you need to install JDK 1.7 and above. So in this demo, I am going to install Maven 3.6.1, which is the latest release, and for that I have already downloaded JDK 1.8181 in my workstation. So if you want to check whether Java is installed in your machine or not, go to command prompt and type the command as Java version. So you can see already in my workstation I have installed the Java version, that is 1.8.81. So it is showing here, but if you don't have Java in your workstation or machine, it will show you as an unrecognizable command. So now if you want to download Java in your workstation, go to your favorite browser and then type as download Java JDK kit and you will land in their official site. So in this official site, you can see different executable files for different operating system. So for Windows, it may differ from 32-bit or 64-bit. So you need to click on this particular executable file and it will get downloaded on your workstation. So after it get downloaded, you need to run that particular executable file and it will be set up on your machine. So after installation, you need to provide a particular Java home path in your environment variable. So how to set that? So go to your desktop, click on this PC. Now click on properties. You need to click on advanced system setting, click on environment variables, and as you can see there are two sections, one is user variable, one is system variable. So in user variable you need to type or add a new variable known as Java home. As I have already done it, you can see here. So you need to click on new and write here Java underscore home, and in the value you need to provide the path where you have stored your Java JDK kit. So that path should be like browser directory, this PC. Then according to me, I have stored in Windows C program files and Java, and here it is JDK 1.881. So don't provide the path of bin, only provide the path till this particular place or till particular location. So click on it, then OK and press here OK. So you will be so here now your variable is set. Now in system variable you go to path, edit it and click on new and add here the location of bin folder of your JDK kit. So as you can see, I have already provided it is C program file, Java JDK and bin. So you need to provide the path till bin here in this case. Then click on OK and now your Java is successfully set up on your machine. So after setting up the Java JDK kit, now you need to install Maven on your workstation. So go to your favorite browser, click as download Apache Maven. Then the first will be their official site. So go to there. Then you can see it is 3.6.1, which is the latest release. Then click on the second option, that is zip file. So for installing of Maven, you need to click on this bin or that is zip file. So I have already clicked on it and downloaded in my workstation. So you can you can then move the folder to your desired location apart from the download section and store there. So now the second most important part that comes here is that we need to set the Maven in our environment variable. So if you do not set it, what it shows to you. So go to command prompt. You can check whether Maven is has been set up in your workstation or not. So when you type as mvn hyphen version, you can see it is showing me mvn is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. It is showing us because we have not set our maven home in the environment variable. So that is the most utmost step. So now we need to set it in the similar way as we have set the java jdk in our environment variable. So go to this pc, then properties, advanced system settings. So click on environment variable, then OK, and you will get this user interface. So click on new, and now provide variable name as m2 underscore home. So for Maven, you need to give the variable name as m2 underscore home, then provide the value as where you have stored your Maven folder. So this PC, I have stored it in softwares, and this is my folder, Apache Maven. So don't provide the path of bin, okay? Only provide till Apache Maven 3.6.1. So place OK, then OK. So now I have set the user variable as m2 home. So what happens? There are some application which refer Maven as m2 home, and there are still some application who access the Maven application using the user variable as Maven underscore home. So it's better for us that if we provide both the user variable in this user interface. So let us set that variable also. So it is Maven underscore home, and provide the same path: browser directory, this PC, softwares, Apache Maven. So okay. So now I have set both the variable m2 home and Maven home. I'm only doing this because some of the applications still refer Maven as Maven home and some refer it as m2 home. Okay. So now we need to set the path in the similar way as we have set for Java. So go to path, then edit, then click on new, and then browse. So here you need to provide the path till bin, right? So software, Apache Maven, Apache Maven. So now here we need to provide the bin folder path. So bin OK. So now I have set the system variable, then OK. So click on OK. Okay, so now I have successfully set my Maven home user variable as well as system variable in my workstation. So let us check. So again go to then close the command prompt because we need to restart the command prompt. So cmd. Now click as uh, mvn version. So see, now it is showing me that I have Apache Maven 3.6.1 on my workstation. Okay. So you need to close the command prompt and again restart it, because if you don't do it, it will show the previous result that it is not recognized as an executable command. So it's better to restart, to close it and again reopen it. That's all for today. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you gained some useful information from this video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Please leave your comment for any suggestions or doubt. See you in my next upcoming sessions. Till then, bye.